Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to digitally sign a PDF document in Foxit Reader. First, open your PDF document in Foxit Reader and locate the Protect tab at the top of your interface. You will then click on Fill and Sign, and then place signature to begin the process. This initial step prepares your document for the secure signing procedure, setting everything up nicely. Next, you will be prompted to choose a digital ID. If you do not have one, select New ID from File or New Self-Signed Digital ID and follow the prompts. For a self-signed ID, you will enter your name, email, and choose a strong password. This creates your unique digital identity, which is crucial for authenticating your signature effectively. With your digital ID established, you can now place your signature field. Click on Sign and Certify under the Protect tab, then choose Place Signature. Your cursor will change, allowing you to drag a rectangle precisely where you want your signature to appear on the document. This defines the exact location for your secure digital mark. A Sign Document dialog box will then appear, displaying your selected digital ID. Enter the password you created for your digital ID in the designated field. After confirming your details, click Sign and then choose a location to save your now digitally signed PDF document. Your document is now securely signed and ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.